New today, for over a year now, KSLA has been covering one group's fight for term limits in Bossier City. And after the council rejected a resolution to put term limits on the December ballot, one Bossier City resident brought a lawsuit against the city on this matter.
And KSLA News 12's Donna Kia was in the courtroom with the latest on today's happenings.
Cassie Rogers is just one person out of thousands who signed a petition wanting to get term limits on the ballot in Bossier City. Today, she testified in court as a judge is hearing arguments and will ultimately decide what will happen next. Rogers, who brought the lawsuit against the city, wants the court to make Bossier City council members put the issue on the ballot so the people can decide. Rogers' lawyer says there's nothing else the citizens can do.
They followed the rules, they got the signatures, they submitted to the city, and they just want the city to call the election and let the people of Bossier City decide if this proposal is something they want in their city charter.
Andrew Cobb is the attorney for several council members who voted against having term limits on the ballot. He argued there were some irregularities with the petition. He brought up that the petition had the wrong election date on it and that the language of the amendment could make the charter contradict itself when it comes to council members who've already served several terms. Rogers' attorney Donnie Garrett had a different interpretation.
I think that the provision, the proposal says that they would be ineligible to run for an additional term. Nobody's looking to kick anybody off the council today.
David Crockett, the person behind the Bossier Term Limits Coalition, feels the petition is sound.
And we did a successful petition in one of the city council meetings. Even Charles Jacobs, the city attorney, said he saw no flaws in the petition. So it seems to me that this is a no-brainer. You just have to do your job.
Cobb says he isn't making any comments because the case is still pending. No immediate ruling was issued by the judge today. In Bossier Parish, Donna Kia, KSLA News 12.